everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. How are you all doing? Spring is finally here. Sort of looks like spring here in Winnipeg. Our record over 5 feet of snow this winter. We broke records. Is melting, has been melting all week. There's water everywhere. Some people's basements are flooding. Oh dear Lord. Yeah, so pray for them, please. And yeah, so what's happening today? I have a few things to show you. I have some happy mail, I have a finished item, I have a WIP that I'm still working on. Yeah, so what should we start with? What about what I'm wearing? I put up a tutorial for this. I did the tutorial in this yarn. Put that tutorial up on Friday. And it's, you start at the top and work around. It's, the body's in one piece, then you have the sleeves, and yeah, it's a mesh top. Just getting ready for spring and summer. All right, so I showed you guys last week that I made a yarn, I caked up some yarn, some scrap yarn, and put the yarn in the order that I want the colors in. And then I used it, some of it, not all of it, it's not all gone yet, but that's what I used to make this top. So some of you guys were saying, a lot of you guys were saying that you were gonna do that. And so that's awesome. Some of you have posted your yarn cakes on my Facebook. So anything I talk about, there'll be a link below. So yeah, that's fun, that's fun. So I caked up another one. I was having a problem with my ball winder. When you turn the handle, it used to jerk, you know, turn it and jerk, it would jerk, it wouldn't run smoothly. And then that kind of fixed itself somehow. So that was awesome. But then when I went to make my second cake of my unique colorway from scrap yarn, it really messed it up. The wire thing that goes back and forth that you have your yarn through, it seems to be going further, and it's pulling the yarn off the end of the cylinder. And it's just like, oh, and I had to keep stopping and, you know, unwind it. And then, anyway, it was a mess. I actually got a cake made with it, though, eventually. And in that video where I was showing you how to make these unique colored yarn cakes out of your scrap yarn, I said that I had ordered a new one, a different one from AliExpress. Well, now it's not available because the guy told me his store shut down. I don't know why, but he says he has another store and I can order it on there, and it's another store on AliExpress, I believe. And I just was like, forget it. So after I gave you that link, that item's not available. So then I picked out a different one, still on AliExpress from a different store, and I think I put that new link on that, under that video in the comments. Oh my gosh. I've never had a problem with AliExpress, so to share a link ahead of time, I thought would be okay. No, of course not. So anyway, I ordered a different one and it's on its way. So I did get a new cake made, and after a lot of struggle, but I got it made. And I just grabbed my gray and pink scrap yarns, and that's one side of it there. There's the center pull over here. See, the yarn was really flipping over and getting tangled. I know when you start pulling it out, it would be really tangled. I'd have to stop and straighten it out, and oh my goodness. But anyway, this is the gray and pink custom cake I made. Yeah, so I tried to use all the same sizes of yarn. I think they're 4-weight, but I think I put some 3-weight in there, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, if you are doing that, making up your own unique yarn cakes, please go to my Facebook group and post them in there. I would love to see them, and I've seen some of the ones you've done so far, and thank you so much for sharing those. Alrighty, okay, so this tutorial here is also the same one for the same exact pattern, but different yarn, different size hook. And I had showed this, it was a work in progress at the time. This one is the hobby, I think it's called Bamboo Rainbow or Rainbow Bamboo. It's a 2-weight, it's 60 bamboo, 40 cotton, and this yarn is beautiful from Hobbii, H-O-B-B-I-I. And it, I mean, it's, oh, you can feel the drape in it. So I'm going to continue working on this. So just if you have cotton yarn or bamboo cotton, it's the same design as this. So the tutorial will be linked below. This is I think, oh, I don't have the label in here, but the color is, I think it's called cerise, but they only have a color number on the actual ball. C-E-R-I-S-E, I think. But anyway, so this is going to get completed, I don't know, hopefully this week, but who knows. Okay. Who knows, because life just creeps in and whatever. Oh, and this little guy who looks like a penguin right now in this position. But this is the owl I was making from the Crochet Crowd. Sorry, I just hit my knee on the table. Crochet Crowd tutorial. They use that, I think it's the Bernat blanket yarn, I think. I'm not sure. The Ogo thing. But anyway, it's supposed to be an owl. I think he kind of looks like a penguin, and his eyes aren't quite right. I actually think he's been into some, I don't know, fermented crab apples maybe, I don't know. But he's mine, and he's cute all the same. Yeah, he's cute all the same. This is the back. Anyway, I talked about him in another video as well, and I mentioned what kind of yarn I used. Yeah. But anyway, he's cute anyway. So, that is that, and I have happy mail. Oh, I'm so excited. This came from Krystal, Yarny Chicken, and Crazy Cat Lady. Hi, Krystal. I'm excited. She's in Texas. I'm away over here in Canada. But yeah, I'm excited. Trying to see what I can show you here. This is just my post office. My post office box anyway, but it's in an envelope. Yeah, it's about this. Twice this size, goes across to here. But yeah, I'm excited to open it. I got it Saturday, and you know, I held off till today, Monday, to open it with you guys. All right, and with Krystal. Okay, can I tell the little story about this? When I hit 3K on my channel, Krystal made me something, but shipping from the States to Canada is outrageous. So she was talking to her grandma, and her grandma says, get it and we'll mail it. Thank you, Krystal's grandma. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, and thank you, Krystal, for mailing it. Oh my gosh, to keep it that long. Oh, I'm getting goosebumps. But yeah, she said she made me something, so I'm excited. I got a peek. Oh my gosh, I got a peek. Oh. No way. No way. No way. Oh my golly. Oh. Is this a new note? Maybe it's a new one because she was congratulating me on my 3K, she said before. But now I'm over 5K. You guys are the best. Thank you, everyone. All right. Oh my gosh, I love this little card thing with the kitty cats and the yarn and the little footprints. Washi tape, right? Where'd you get this? All right, I'll show it to you in a second. She says, hi, Darla. I just wanted to send you a little gift. Thank you for all the support and kindness you have shown to me and my channel. You will forever be my yarny sister. Enjoy, yarny love and hugs. Krystal, the yarny chicken and crazy cat lady. And she drew a little face of a cat and a heart. Oh, that is so nice. Look at that. Washi tape, so cute. Oh, thank you, Krystal. Krystal has been with me, I think, from the beginning of my channel. She leaves wonderful comments, and now she has her own channel. For quite a while now, she's had her own channel. So make sure you go over there and check her out and subscribe her. She is a darling. She has some really nice tutorials. I made her Nova Scotian, was it sunset or sky cowl? I'll link that one below too. And yeah, check her out. Aww. So because she has her channel, of course she's really, really busy. It's you don't see what goes on behind the scenes on these channels. It's a lot. But so I know, like, she may watch my videos still, but she may not comment every time, and I don't either, because we need more hours in the day. But yeah, so that is a nice note, and look at this. Oh, I almost dropped it. Look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a beautiful stitch marker. Isn't that gorgeous? An owl. Oh, I love it, Krystal. I love it so much. Oh, it's so nice. It is so nice. It's an owl on a twig or a branch. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, I love it. Oh, and oh my gosh, I was not expecting this. She makes handles for crochet hooks. Oh my gosh, and this is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And oh my gosh, okay, look at the back first of all. Where's that paper I had? Look at the back. I hope it's focusing. But look at the other side. Look! She has my name on there, Krystal. You're so awesome. It's a 4mm. Oh, I love it. Look at those beautiful colors in there. There's pinks, kind of a pinkish, purplish maybe, and blue. It is gorgeous. And she put my name on it. You know, I'm gonna cherish this. Anything you guys send me, I cherish. I do, because for you guys to even think about me and take the time, spend the money to send things to me that you know I'm gonna love, because you guys know me so well. So it means so much to me. I'm gonna cry. So, oh gosh. Krystal and I were messaging back and forth about this package she was gonna send me, and my gosh, my eyes were moist like they are now. All right, guys, I'm gonna go. So I love you all. Thank you so much for watching this video and for liking it. If you liked anything, click like. If you liked anything on this video at all, or you liked the entire video, and please be sure to subscribe. Krystal has a giveaway going on right now for reaching her 1K. A whole bunch of channels are collaborating. I'm one of them, so make sure you check out my video. There's going to be semi-finalists, and then there's going to be a grand prize winner who will win a prize from all the channels that are involved. And there's over 20 right now. Yeah, so make sure you check her out and enter on all the channels. It goes till beginning of April, I believe. I gotta blow my nose. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Krystal. I just love you, Krystal. You're so sweet. Thank you. And I love your grandma. And I love your mom. She's awesome, too. You guys are a fantastic bunch of ladies. Love you all. Krystal's mom has a YouTube channel, too. I will link that one below. She's a gardener. All right, you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.